Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you a hand shower review, or you can call it like a spray shower or the shower bracket, whatever you can call it. I'll show you. It's from Waterpik hand shower. I have bought it from Costco. They have some really great discount, so I found it in a really great price. Let's open it and see how this hand shower looks. So you can see the packaging is really nice. It's from Waterpik and it has like 5 different sprays. You can see PowerPulse, Power Calm, Soft Calm, and Rainfall, and Bliss Mist. Like 5 different sprays, and it's like a it looks like really nice. So let's open it, and I will show you how to install it in the shower also, whether it's difficult or not. Also I will show you later. So let's see. So this is what I got. The pipe is like stainless steel and kind of good. Also the installation, and so this power cable length is like also is really great length. Let's open it. We can go at all this installation. Okay. So this is what I got. So there is only three parts. You can get this hand shower with like a brushed material, which is I really love the brushed material, and this tightening knot, this one, and this thing, this one, and this thing. So you got only this thing. If you need anything for tightening your like shower, if you need anything to connect, then you have to by yourself. I think this would be easy. So let's connect it with my shower and we'll see how this spray works. You can see the head, really pretty good. The quality of this shower handle is also really nice. Now here is the thing you can change the shower spray. It's really nice to hold. So let's connect it and we'll see how the spray works. This one. flow. So good.
And to adjust it for you. To adjust it here. I can show like this. This is the knob where you can adjust it. Okay.
So all the flows. Oh, the flow is really nice. Oh wow.
Then you just keep twisting.
Oh.
It doesn't stop at any place. You just keep twisting one after another.
Oh, okay.
Can you show me?
Yes. So you just have to
Yeah, show that also. So once I change it, just switch it. You see? I think the water.
And this installation is also so easy. You don't need any instrument.
Yeah, I mean, but now this is, we can see the difference actually.
Yeah, it's so good. I think yeah, it's a good product.
Yeah. Definitely. And this is having less obstacle because this one is so stiff.
Yes.
But this one is very flexible.
Flexible, yeah.
That's why it's having less trouble.
Yes. Oh wow. So you can see, I can twist it.
Okay.
Like this way, no?
Hold on. It's very easy now to twist and
Oh, okay. Different. Oh. So all this.
do one setting and then.
Oh, okay. So you just have to twist it. Nothing to do. And it doesn't stop, like one by one it's just continues. So it's like really easy. And yeah, it's a nice product. You can try this one. I love this shower. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.